let's make the marinade for this delicious lemon pepper chicken. It's gonna be so easy, it's gonna take 30 minutes of your time. Lemon pepper fried chicken. This is the delicious recipe. It's gonna take 30 minutes of our time. I'll give you simple ingredients to follow. This is a whole organic chicken, farm raised. This is whole chicken. It's approximately about 3 pounds. I can cut it into small pieces, but I want to leave the whole chicken for now. It's gonna be easy for me to cook it here. Try this out. It's delicious. We'll make some cuts, as always. I tell you, right? On the breast. And on this side as well. I'm trying to make this video without any cuts, so you know how to do it. There will be less cuts in the video, but more cuts on the chicken. Small pieces, just cut the breast from here. First cut it all the way from the middle and then make it into small pieces. Let's focus on the whole chicken at this point. We will take our marination bowl and we will add this whole lemon pepper chicken about to become right here. Land it right here. We'll get rid of the gloves. Cut 2 fresh lemon. Before marinating this is canola oil. This is approximately about 1.5 quarts. ml liters, it's 1.42 liters. The stove is at 350 Fahrenheit. So it will take around maybe 10 minutes for the oil to get onto this temperature. For the lemon pepper, it's not just squeezing lemon on top of the chicken and call it a lemon pepper chicken. We have to give a flavor too. So for the flavor, first thing we will take, this is coriander, ground coriander. At least 1.5 tablespoon for the 3 pound of the chicken. This is turmeric. It will give natural color to it, yellowish color, and it will also give flavor to it. 1 whole tablespoon goes here. Black pepper, at least 2 whole tablespoons or teaspoons. Teaspoons are smaller, tablespoons are bigger. Use the tablespoon, I would say. Let's grab the salt. At least 1.5 tablespoon. Squeeze the whole lemon. This will be 1 whole lemon. It will give the lemony flavor, fresh lemon flavor. This is frying recipe. Frying recipes are so easy. If you're dropping seeds right now, just like me, don't worry about it. In the frying, they're all gonna get separated. So 2 whole lemons. Use fresh lemon for this recipe, please. That's the requirement. Let's move this on the side. Let's grab this. So this is the moment of truth for the marinade. Easy, simple, lemon pepper marinade. Okay. I was telling you about the color, right? Look at the color. It's forming. The beauty is ready. fully marinated for the frying. It's completely done. It's going to be crispy, deep fried lemon pepper chicken. For the flavor kick, use garlic powder in there. This is the trick. You're perfectly fine with these ingredients: turmeric, black pepper, salt, and coriander, right? For the kick, add garlic. Who don't like garlic flavor, in the food, especially in the poultry? Everybody loves it. At least 2 tablespoons. Okay, we will just roughly massage it. It changed the whole texture, the whole aroma of the chicken. Okay, let's check the oil. All right, so the garlic pepper chicken is completely marinated with 6 ingredients. We put the lemon, we put the turmeric, we put the black pepper, we put the salt, we put the garlic powder, and we put the coriander. Look at this. Our oil is at 300 and almost 60 degrees. This is what we needed, right? This is ready. Now the best thing to do, we will grab our whole chicken, just like that. Just be careful, when you're frying like me in a pot. This is whole lemon pepper garlic chicken, and it goes face down like this. You cook the chicken just like this for at least 10 minutes, and then we'll flip the side. Initial 10 minutes are gone. Look at this, the front side. Let's flip this. Wow, yummy. Lemon pepper deep fried chicken. Yes, sir. Let's fry this. We will be keep rotating after 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes each side. It's been 30 minutes. We have been deep frying our delicious lemon pepper. If you have the deepest fryer, you can put the whole chicken in there. Don't worry about flipping up the sides. But if you're making in a pot, you have to flip the sides. So the best thing you can do right now, just to insert the food temperature thermometer in the breast. If it reaches 165, yes, it's completely done. It's all the way fully deep fried. So what we will do, we will turn off the stove. We will grab our chicken without making a lot of mess, and we will land this beauty right here, right now, on the side, right here. On the strainer, if you have an oil strainer, put in there. If you have a rack like this, definitely put in there. Wait at least 10 minutes. And look at this. This is broccoli and coleslaw salad. I got it from the market. You can serve it with the ketchup. So after 10 minutes, so here is our delicious lemon pepper chicken beauty. Is dripping out the extra oils, and we are almost there to put this beauty right here on the bed of salad. It is gonna break itself apart. Okay, so here it goes. Deliciously, completely done lemon pepper chicken at your service. It has the tender touch. Wow. Who don't like deep fried chicken? Look at that here. And just, oh, it's hot. You can make this recipe. You can make this recipe in 30 minutes of your time once you marinate it. Just regular ketchup. Flavors are all the way deep in. The thigh, let me grab it. Is this hot? The Thai is